हाँ बोलो।
मुनीरा, सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। ये सालगिरह तो ऐसे ही जा रही घर में। अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें लंबी उम्र दे, अच्छी सेहत दे, और इंशाअल्लाह इस अगली सालगिरह बहुत उसे मनाई जाएगी। सब लोग बहुत खुश होंगे। अभी ये दुआ करना है कि अल्लाह करोना ख़त्म हो, और इंशाअल्लाह नेक्स्ट जो है बर्थडे हम लोग बहुत उससे मनाएंगे इंशाअल्लाह।
Hi Munira, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and love for all your lifetime. I have watched you growing from a child to a woman as what you are today, and I have treasured all the memories in my mind as what you are today. I pray to God that may you be surrounded by joy, health and happiness always. Once again wishing you a big happy birthday.
Hi Munira, I am proud of you and I always pray for your health and prosperity. Happy birthday and be fulfill your dreams.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Munira. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Munira, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very nice day. Thanks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Munira. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Munira Bain.
Happy birthday Munira, the best sister I have got. Very many happy returns of the day.
And we wish you good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck goes to you forever and ever. And whether we are far or we are near, but you are always in our hearts, and we wish that very soon we meet up and make this day a memorable day, and it will be your birthday party on that day. So happy birthday and have a super duper fun, and all love from us.
Love you Mons. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
And the
See
cake
you.
will be pending.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Happy birthday to you, Chachi. Happy birthday to you, Chachi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a good day, Chachi. When the Corona goes, I will give you a lot of gifts and have a good day. And love you, Chachi. Have a good day. And Allah Ta'ala gives you a lot of gifts. And bye. See you soon.
Now loudly.
Happy
birthday.
High five, happy birthday, have a great quarantine birthday, let us never know what old age is. May all your wishes come true in the coming year, and may you make more and more memories together. Let's hope this pandemic gets over soon and we all meet together just like old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fari. Happy birthday to you. You were born in the zoo. You were born in the zoo. With Tekum and Buranuddin, with Kumaira, with you. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. I'm so lucky that I have you. You start, Daddy.
Happy birthday Munira. I hope you have a good day. We love you too much.
This is
Take
for
care.
you, Mama. Heart. Huh? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Have a good day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Munira. Happy birthday to you.
ये लुक्का लुक्का बर्थडे नहीं मांगता है हाँ मुन्ना भाई
Happy birthday, Munira babe.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Have
you.
a
Happy
great
birthday,
year
Munira
ahead.
babe.
May all you dreams
Happy
come
birthday,
true.
Mons. Have a nice,
Many happy returns
safe
of the
and
day.
healthy birthday.
Have a healthy and a very nice.
She's 40?
Year.
No,
40
not
like
yet.
45.
No,
No,
40.
not yet.
45.
She's 84 born.
84 months, so 35.
Sending you a very
35.
sweet hug.
She must be 41.
35 she's.
41? So happy 35th birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Love you, miss you.
Bye.
Enjoy your
Bye.
birthday,
Enjoy your
your
birthday. Have a
family
nice time.
in lockdown. We love you.
Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Munira babe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bye, Vera. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Munira. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Munira. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day in this lockdown. And I hope Umaira and Yunus have lots of surprises for you. Love you. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday. 5 punches, 1 big hug, and no gifts for you on this birthday, but still have a good day. Take care. Bye.
Hi Munna, a very happy birthday to you. May this year be your best year ever. I know you since you were able to crawl, and what I appreciate and admire the most about you is your go-getter attitude, your no nonsense, your zest for life, and I've always admired and wished that I had that kind of attitude that you have. I know you're a great mother, and I hope that Humaira also gets this particular quality from you. And all the very best, have a brilliant year ahead, and just have fun.
Hey Munira, happy birthday. I will always remember your birthday because that was my Zaru's due date. And it's always fun to be around you. You're a very cheerful person. May God bless you and you have a wonderful life ahead. See ya, bye-bye.
Hi babe, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. You are capable of doing everything in life. So you have many more candles and extra large cake. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Munira auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, sweetheart. Wish you a very happy birthday. All the best.
Munira, wishing you a year full of love, good health, and happiness. May you have a wonderful year. Good luck to you. Bye, darling.
Hey Mons, happy
birthday.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday, Mons.
Happy birthday, Moons.
We have our best memories of our best time of our life with you. Love you. Happy birthday, Munira babe. Hope your birthday was not in vain. When are we going to celebrate now? Coronavirus is such a pain. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
wonderful year ahead of you. Thanks for being always by my side, my guiding force and my soul sister. Because of you, I don't miss a sister. Love you loads. Unfortunately, we can't do much on your birthday next year. But anyways, have a great day and hope and all the best wishes in your life. God bless.
Wish you a very happy birthday. What I got to know from Shrimundar after 3 years, your birthday is after Ramadan. But on a lighter note, coronavirus has welcomed your birthday. Anyway, just kidding. I know it's not an ideal time to have a birthday, but can't help it. So enjoy with your family this time, and next year, you owe me a bloody fucking banging party. Best of luck. God bless you.
Go.
Hi, Meera auntie. We are wishing you a very, very joyful birthday. And hope you have the most sweetest birthday, as sweet as you are. Bye. Bye. And see you soon. Love you. We wish we were there at your birthday party. But hope you have a joyful birthday party.
Happy
birthday,
Munira.
Have a good quarantine birthday with your family members.
Yeah, we would have
Really wish to
almost
be
every
there.
birthday I'm there at your place in the night. Sometimes sane, sometimes insane condition, but I'm always there. I would have loved to come this time, but we'll do a video call and you have a rocking birthday Saturday. Yeah, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mani Masi. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and you. From old friends and you. May the good luck go with you. And happiness
to Mons, wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mons. Have a great quarantine, lockdown birthday, and hope we don't have these birthdays next year. So yes, here's wishing you from Jasmine as well. Jasmine,
Yeah, say happy birthday, Muni auntie. Say happy birthday.
say hi. Say hi.
Instead of Jasmine, I'll have someone else tell you that.
Love you loads.
Love you.
Hey Mons, happy birthday.
Have a great, great day.
Have a great day. Take care. We're gonna see you soon and we're gonna party hard then. Cheers.
Hi.
Hi.
Wishing you a
Very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi, a very happy birthday to you. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Munira.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.
And let's
And
party
party
after
after-
quarantine.
Yes.
Hey, happy birthday, Munni.
Many happy returns of the day, Munira. This is the kind of birthday we are going to celebrate this year because of the stupid lockdown. But once the lockdown is over, we definitely are going out.
And we
chilling.
want a party.
I hope this kind of birthday is not repeated for anyone. We really miss you. You've always been there for us. And this birthday is extra special because Rehan is here to wish you also. So this one is for you from Rehan. Hope you have a wonderful birthday with everyone around. And Eunice, you better take over the kitchen tomorrow and give my friend a break. Say.
Happy birthday.
We love you. We miss you loads. Have fun.
Bye bye, brother.